Hey everybody, welcome to Learn Billiards. I'm Eddie Altman, your PBIA instructor. Today we're doing a product review on the Quick Draw Q Chalk holder. I found this online and I was actually looking for a magnetic Q Chalk holder, and some of them run pretty pricey, and the ones that were less expensive I really didn't care for the way that they were actually set up. So I came across this one, and I have to say it's very cool. It just clips to your belt clip right here. You know, you can put it on your belt, you can put it on your pants pocket, and when you need it, you just press this down on this little button and it slides right out, and here you go. So it came with a Cuba Master Chalk. I put Balabushka chalk, and I have another video coming up that I'm going to be doing a product review on different types of chalk. So again, if you're looking for an inexpensive, this I believe was $13 on Amazon, and I'll leave a link below. You can check the product out, read all the specs on it, and if you decide to purchase it, great. I used it last night playing in a pool tournament, and I have to say, I really like it. I normally use the more traditional style, at least in the past. I've always used like these styles. You know, you have the Q Chalk holder here, and then they give you a stick attached to it. It's usually by a little piece of rope or a little chain, and you just slides right in your pocket. When you need it, you pull it out. They work great, nothing wrong with them. I was looking for something a little bit more secure because these have a tendency of falling out, especially with the rope style. They break, you know, a little bit more often, or I didn't want it in my back pocket no more. I have a habit of putting it, for some reason, the stick style in my back pocket all the time. So again, I was looking for something a little bit more secure. I have no problem with it. I mean, you pull it right out. You, like I said, you just press this little button down, and it slides right out. The case itself on this one, it's made out of a thin metal, and it works under tension, and it holds that right in there. So again, it came with a Master Chalk. I switched it out. My preference is Balabushka chalk, and you won't be disappointed with it. Now here's the actual device itself. Let me put this old style one away. So here's a side view of it, and that would be the spring tension for the belt clip. So you can just grab onto your belt clip or your pants pocket, and then there's a button right here. You just press this button, and the Q Chalk slides right out. So again, here's a profile of it. Here's the front of it, the back of it. Again, this part is plastic, but it's extremely durable. I have to say, so far, very impressed with it. Time will tell on, you know what I mean, the overall durability of it. Again, you can put it in your front pocket, back pocket, and all you have to do real quick, it took maybe 5-10 minutes to get used to actually pressing this button up on top. So you press right here, just press down, and then this slides right up. And to put it back in, you just slide it, and you hear the click, and it's in. That ain't going anywhere. So again, for the price, I think it's just a great item. And if you're worried about losing your chalk or falling out of your pocket with the older style, here's the ultimate Q Chalk holder, at least for this price range. So again, I'm going to leave a description below with a product link. Please click on it, check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and there'll be many more to come. Please share, hit the like button, and thanks for joining me.